What's up, YouTube? It's Tati here, and I am back with another YouTube video. And in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing the perfect medium knotless box braids. So I've been doing this style for a couple of years now, so I feel like I got it almost down to perfection. And I wanted to show you guys my top tips and my top strategies on how I get that done. So first and foremost, I just part her hair from the left ear to the right ear, and how to get those parts nice, crispy, and neat is, of course, use your shine and jam. Once you put your shine and jam on the scalp and then you repart your previous part, you will automatically see a huge difference in how those parts look. So you definitely want to do that in order to get the nicest parts you can get. So right here, I'm just dividing the first part that I divided into 2 even sections. So another way I get my sections to be as even as possible is I pre-part. Now guys, I feel like pre-parting is very, very important because it allows me to get my sections to be as even as possible. If I don't pre-part, sometimes I find my sections to be smaller than the other, or one is bigger than the other. So I feel like pre-parting will save you so much time and so much energy. Alright, so after that bottom section, I skip straight to the top part because this is going to help me throughout the entire head. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just parting her hair straight down the middle. Then I part her hair straight down from the crown all the way down to the back of the ear, and I do that on both sides. Now, I know it seems like a lot is going on, y'all, but bear with me because this is probably the most important part. So what I'm doing here is I'm parting the 2 front parts of my braids and sectioning them off. I do this so that I can have my guide to 10 parted sections in the front, so that 5 is on each side of the head. This part is necessary because if you don't do it, you have a slight chance of getting uneven parts because not everyone's head is shaped the same. Some heads are big and some heads are small, so this will guide you perfectly. So as you guys can see right here, I am starting on my first row, and by first row I just mean my first row above the ear, because we did the ones below the ear. So above the ear, you want to make sure you go in with that shine and jump on the scalp so that those parts can be neat and even, of course. You know, a lot of people say that that part feels really good. Me personally, I think it feels kind of weird and it makes me cold and it makes me get the chills, but I don't know. People's opinion is different. So right here, I'm just also sectioning the parts once again. Alright, so I have 3 rows down and I have 2 more rows to go, but first I'm going to take down those 2 braids that I braided in the beginning. And right here I am just evening out those last 2 rows. Now, when I tell you, like, even though I put those 2 braids right there, I still had to go back and make sure that my parts were even. That's how much of a risk it is to not section those braids off. So since I got those braids down, it made it so much easier and it made it so much neater. So yeah. Alright, so I am finally on my very last row. Guys, this style in total took me about 4 hours, or maybe even less than 4 hours. I was so quick with it, so that was very, very, very exciting. But after this, guys, I can't even talk today. After this, I'm obviously just going to braid the ends down and then put the foam on there and spray it down and dip the hair, all the finishing touches that we like to do at the end. And yeah, that is the end of this voiceover. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you really love this content and you want to see more videos. And thank you guys so much again for making it to the end of this video. So I will see you guys in my next video.